Hi, I was asked to make a video on one of my Connections Academy lessons, and here I am on my Lesson 2 Thermal Energy Gifted and Talented Science class. And so I'm just going to go through it and show you basically just a whole lesson. So, yeah, thermal energy. So, they just changed it all, but on the first page you just have it telling you about thermal energy and like definitions and stuff, and then they have a few little pictures with subtitle, whatever that's called. Then I'll go to the next page. Here we have a check-in. So what the passage that the paragraphs that you just read, it'll ask you some questions that these aren't for grade, they're just like little questions that you can answer just for review basically. And then here we have a practice, and this is basically just some more little review questions, but this time with a diagram, and also not for grade, so because they just tell you the answer after. Next, on the next page, there is a video that will, it's easy. Press play, and it's just at the end of the video.
Do you know what thermal energy is?
The energy associated with the motion and positions of particles.
Have you worked out a model for what happens?
But I mean, like in your lesson, you'll obviously have a different one. Here they have a transcript. So if you click on that, it'll just show you the words instead of the video, keywords, objective. And then here's another check-in, basically, same thing, just some questions so that you can remember the video that you just watched or whatever you just read. And then here is a practice, which will be before your little quiz that you have. Just, same thing, but with a diagram. And then here we have some clickable things. I'm pretty sure this is just the definition and stuff. And then we have a diagram talking about thermal energy, of course, or paragraphs, and another objection. And then here is another check-in. So basically after every video you watch or each page with a few passages in it, you have a check-in just so you remember the material better. It's really nice. And then here's a practice so that you are ready for the test. And that is the end of this lesson. But on the next one, so we go here, we have a quick check, and I don't know if I can click on it without it stopping. But anyways, here you have a quick check, and you just start assessment, and then you press start, and it'll have a few questions. Here it has 4. It'll have a few questions for you to answer, and then whenever you're done, you'll click submit, and it'll tell you what you got on that grade or that assessment. Quick check. So that is all for my science class. And each day you have about one or two whatever these called, lessons, because it splits them up. So you have a lesson teaching you, and then you have the quick check teaching you, quick check, and then that just so on. And yeah, that's all. So thanks for watching.